With the COVID-19 pandemic reaching its peak in the third wave, the country is recording more than 50 deaths in a space period of 24 hours, and this sudden death toll has overwhelmed the country's burial spaces. Lusaka, being the most affected as it is an epicenter and breeding ground of COVID-19, is recording the highest deaths and has seen families of the deceased compete for burial space. A visit by Movie TV News around the local burial sites found thousands of mourners lining up awaiting to be given space to bury their relatives. It is to this effect that the Lusaka City Council, LCC, has secured about 50 hectares of land from Lusaka's outskirts areas, meant to be new burial sites. LCC Public Relations Manager Mwaka Nakweti explains that the development comes about due to the filling up of the burial spaces around Lusaka's graveyards and an overwhelming number of people who are dying on a daily basis.
In 2019, Lusaka City Council did close Chunga Cemetery, which leaves us with Chingwere and Leopards Hill as public burial spaces. And what we have done is we have provided for a budgetary allocation. So come January, if it is approved, Lusaka City Council then will be able to purchase about 50 hectares of land, which we are going to use as a burial space. Unfortunately, with people who decide to allocate themselves spaces, some of them might even dig up graves. That's why we are calling on them to do so. Because it is against the law, in fact, for people to allocate themselves a burial space. That's why they have to come through the local authority, follow the proper channels, and then the local authority is going to allocate them where to bury their loved ones.
According to statistics from the Ministry of Health daily COVID updates, the country stands at 2,537 confirmed cases and about 2,002 total deaths since the pandemic first broke out. Reporting for Movie TV News, Namangolwa Mundia.